Algebra 1, EOC practice test number 2. All right, Grace and her brother Sid want to raise money to go to band camp. Their parents have agreed to help them earn up to $400 by paying them $25 when one of them mows the lawn and $10 for each hour that one of them babysits their younger brother. They will have to do a combination of both chores in order to earn the money. Select the equation that represents the number of lawns they can mow, M, and hours they can babysit, B, to earn $400. All right, so let's review here what it says. So their parents, they need to earn up to $400. So we can see that each one of these equals $400. So they're going to earn $25 for mowing the yard, and mowing is M. So they're going to have $25 per yard mowed, and they're going to get $10 for each hour they babysit. And babysitting was B. So plus $10 babysitting, and we need that to equal $400. Now, the only difference in some of these equations have negatives. We know that they have to add up to get $400. So it's going to be a combination of chores. So it says they have to do a combination of both chores, which means they're adding these chores together in order to raise $400. So if we look at that, we know that we can mark off the two negative ones. And this one says 10M. Well, M is for mowing. They get $25 for mowing and $10 for babysitting. So it can't be that one because they mixed up the amount of money they get paid for babysitting and mowing. So the only answer that this one could be is answer C.